Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Airtable AI field extraction from PDFs, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update the AI field extraction from PDFs in Airtable, start by opening your Airtable base where you want to use the feature. Navigate to the table containing the PDF field you wish to update. Locate the column that holds your PDF files. Click on the column header to open its settings. Select Customize Field Type from the drop-down menu. In the Field Type options, choose Attachment. Now, ensure you have the PDFs added to the respective records in your table. Next, head to the Automations tab in the top menu. Click on Create an Automation to start setting up a new automation. Choose when a record is created or when a record is updated as your trigger. Select the specific table that contains your PDF files. Click on the Add an Action button. From the action options, select Run a Script. In the script editor, input the code required to extract data from PDFs. Make sure to use the appropriate libraries for PDF handling and data extraction. Test the script to ensure it runs smoothly and extracts the data correctly. Once confirmed, save the automation. To activate the automation, click the toggle switch at the top right corner. Now, every time a new record is added or updated, the AI field extraction will automatically process the PDFs. Review the extracted data by checking the designated output fields in your table. Make sure to adjust any fields as necessary for accuracy. Finally, revisit the Automations tab periodically to ensure everything runs as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.